In post.
Okay.
Bro, this
I'm
took
recording.
10 years.
Look, I just cleared out this whole thing. Me
Yeah,
and
bro.
him just cleared out this whole thing.
And we didn't even get a hat for it.
Well, how do you know?
Because I'd be wearing it.
No. When I got the boss hat, I wasn't wearing it when I got it. Or was I?
Should we just go back now?
No, I want to defeat the boss.
Oh yeah, let's do that.
Like, why
And
would we
and
be
you
here?
have to, and remember, tell them the story of your banana in my gold.
Yeah, so I found my brother. And I'm bringing him to the end of the story. And we found this gold that flew down with us.
We adopted this piece of gold.
Yeah, let's just
right
say
over
that.
there.
Are you sure?
We adopted
Let me check my battery percentage. 29. I need to plug in my battery really quick. I need to plug in my battery really quick.
How
One
did
second.
you get over there? How did you get over there?
My
bro?
menu's glitching.
What? He's cheating. He's using
No,
mod, guys. He's
I'm
using
not. What is happening?
mod. Just kidding.
No, I think it's because I'm moving in real life.
I believe I can fly.
Boing!
I believe I can touch the sky.
Boing! Is my menu? I'm back. Wait. Just need to make sure it's charging. It's not charging. Okay, it's charging. Wait, I want to see what it's. Hello? No! Bro, no! 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 Please! God, no, what did you do? No! He was the only person with a teleport gun to get up this ledge. Just making sure. Hip. Health. Hip. Ha. I like. Yeah, Mama. Can I pop these?
No.
Why is it Pennywise? Why is there Pennywise here?
And I did. Wait, we played Squid Games.
I didn't
made
even
this
I didn't
myself
even
again.
spawn in.
I
I didn't even spawn in.
Wait, what's the go for Squid Games? What's the go for?
I'm a new soul coming straight to Saint Rome.
I can't.
I'm a new soul coming to this strange world. Open.
Little sneak peek.
What?
You could travel the world.
No? He's putting his Alexa or something up to his phone. RKIG! E!
Don't play blade ball.
Please remove your iPad from your microphone. I'm gonna clap you.
Guys, I'm cracking up.
Bro, what do you want? What if y'all want? What do y'all want? What do y'all want?
Can you stop putting your Can you stop putting your iPad up to your microphone and stop playing California?
Wait, you want to hear my music? You want to hear my music?
Keep doing it.
Come on,
Nah, hear my music.
No walls swimming in the ocean.
He's using his computer.
Hey, you
That's what you get about saying my music.
No walls swimming in the ocean.
No Walls are awesome by Jellybug on Apple Music.
5 big black guys ready to clap you at 7 a.m. April 18th, 1994. 5 big black guys ready to clap you at April 19th, 2027. I want to buy this. It's $15, and this is $5.
Computer.
Oh, you turtle. Guys! Did he clap you 5 o'clock?
No walls swimming in the
I'm taking this banana off his bomb! I'm sorry for doing that, brother. I'm sorry for doing that. Ah! Time for a bigger banana! Why is he bobbing his head to this song? Why is he bobbing his head to this song? He disintegrated! He disintegrated!
I have a better game. Whoever wins this will die.
Yeah, who the heck is
No, wouldn't it be Liv? Wouldn't it be Liv? Can we stop?
Whoever wins first
I need this! Where do we buy research points? I need the pet rock. I need the pet rock.
Okay, fine. You are the best one. You are the best one. Admit it.
I have enough, right? Yippee! I can buy him! I can buy the pet rock now! I can buy the pet rock now! Hey, yo, bro! Hey, look!
Hey, you, giant turtle! Pick this card up! Pick this card up, giant turtle! Pick this card up!
Hey, yo, bro! You like my little friend?
Pick it up!
Here's I Want It That Way by Backstreet Boys from Apple Music.
Can I have one of those guys?
Bro's using his Alexa!
No, wait, I didn't mean to drop that.
Hey, you like my little friend?
No, get out of here, bro.
Can I have a Jerry?
I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
Bro. Can I have
Gary.
a
Gary.
I want a Jerry.
Gary, the Sharky. Sharkiest Gary of the Garys. Tell me why! Hey, no.
Wait, who wants a Game Boy?
Alright,
Why did I just enter and say, wait, who owns a Game Boy?
Who wants to learn how to make a working Game
Yo, you
Boy?
guys, hey, you like my little friend? You like my little friend?
Me.
Oh, I can buy that.
Alright, little kid, you're
His name is Gary. His name is Gary Barry.
Someone
You like him?
kill some dogs.
Come here, come here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Come here.
For what?
You wanna know how many fucking times I have these things?
For killing blue dogs.
I'm not flexing.
Like,
I'm not flexing. I'm
You
seriously
wanna know
not flexing.
why? Because it's
Oh, yeah,
part of my
booty.
fucking statue.
Oh, he does. I'm not flexing. I'm just asking
Doesn't
people if
shake
they
though.
like my guy.
Anyone wanna trade?
Take it. Me. I want to. I want to trade. Ooh, go outside
I'm
the
tired
cool.
of people treating us like we're nothing. I'm just a banana in a rock. Two best friends. Just a banana in a rock. Two best friends. Oh my God! Look!
That fast.
Oh my God! Look!
The lobby filled up less than a millisecond.
You like my friend? You like my friend?
Who wants to do a trade with me? Who
Do you
wants
like
to
him?
do a
To
trade
do
with
an
me?
animal company
like him?
video.
Who wants to do it?
Who wants to do a trade?
Hey, you wanna know why he has Barry in his name? You wanna know why he has Barry in his name?
Who wants to do an animal company video?
Me.
Who wants to do a
My
trade
YouTuber
with me?
also.
Wait, do you like my guy? Do you like my guy?
Okay, friend me if you want to do an animal company video.
Oh, he sends me to the moon.
Friend,
Licia, whoa!
what's your username?
Ain't no way I'm ignoring that. Narwhals.
What's your username? What's your username? Do an animal company video. You can. Everyone friend me if you wanna. Maybe. Where's our fish? And make a video. Yo, get the fish out. Alright guys, friend me. Join me, I meant. Join me guys. Join me guys. No, join me. Join me if you wanna see give. I will believe you.
I swear, if this is
He
copyrighted
doesn't take
music,
showers and he goes all.
no! Gary Barry, what happened?
I swim in rivers.
Gary Barry.
I'm so rich, I swim in a river on my own.
I tried to join a public server. I didn't join a different server. I'm still here. Look at my map! Look at my map! Bird is the word. Bird is the word.
That was not a flex for having big claws.
Bird is the word. Bird is the word. Bird. Bird is the word.
Bro, did bro genuinely leave? Did bro genuinely just leave? What happened?
Can I have that?
Why is his claws here? Hey, you like my boob box?
To the boombox.
I found this on the moon map, honestly. I found this on the moon
Look
map.
at my map!
How the fuck
Look
did
at
I get a
my
metal
map!
ball?
I call it the leaper.
Does this do anything? It's just a ball.
Okay, he just had a good idea.
How did I get a metal ball? How did I get a metal ball?
Metal pole, please?
No, a metal ball.
Do you know what this is? A spring Bonnie suit.
That is not a spring Bonnie suit.
Yes, it is, bro.
It's
Stop
not
making
even a
fun of
suit.
it.
Code SAZ.
It's not even a suit. It's dying. It's dying right now.
The
And
roof
do you
just
even
looks
know who
like a
Spring Bonnie
flashlight.
is? Because you got his face completely wrong.
Yes, I did. No, I didn't.
You did Withered
Dude,
Bonnie.
isn't
You did
covering
Withered
your
Bonnie.
face?
This guy did Withered Bonnie.
It's even his face.
That isn't even his face. Bro did withered Bonnie. Bro did withered Bonnie. Help! Oh,
Good. You'll see, guys.
oh.
Yo.
I am the leaper. I am the leaper.
No one cares.
I'm robbing it. Give me your money now.
You're the
You're
leaper.
not tripping away.
No one cares that you're the
Stop.
leaper.
Don't talk to me
I'm
like
gonna
lose your name like wannabe. Like, oh.
A grown man.
Banana, you think you're better? I got this to stick up
did
you.
not say I think you're better.
Wait. Stay there. Stay here. I told you to stay. Where is he?
No.
Just look. Look what I have. Where is he?
What the heck?
I'm still looking for him. There he is.
Everyone, do you guys want to go minding?
You want to go to the moon? Just eat Gary Berry. Just eat him. Just eat him and you'll go to the moon. Eat Gary Berry and you'll go to the moon.
I call this the leap.
No, I was swimming in the ocean, causing a commotion, cause they are so awesome.
Causing a commotion.
Wait, guys, there's a secret part of the map here.
Yo, let me hop on. Bro, let me hop on so I can be your killer machine. No.
I miss. Hey!
I blew bro's car up.
Just stop doing that. I'm trying to drive. Narwhal swimming in the ocean, causing a commotion. Because they are so awesome. Who wants to stop being underage? I can't. Boom. Why is this car moving by itself?
But there's not no.
This car's moving by itself. What a crash! Bro did Spring Bonnie? Nah. Spring Bonnie? Nah. Withered Ghani. Here go! Boing! Narwhal narwhal swimming in the ocean. Ow. Hey! One-handed! One-handed! Oh. Narwhals swimming in the ocean, causing a commotion. That's so awesome. Narwhals swimming in the ocean, causing. Hey yo, guy! Black! Hey, you wanna get on? Get on! Hey yo, bro, get on! Get on! You on? No, I won! I love the car's physics! I love the car's physics! Ratchet, stop! Ratchet, stop! Yeah, that's your stop. That's your stop in there. In that TV. Go and enter that TV. Throw your head at that TV.
It's my giveaway. I won full money.
No, I won! No! Diddy boy, I can do this! Oh. Do a hook. I bet you someone's soon gonna find a glitch that brings the cars to the like Animal Company main area. Maybe I'll be the person. Oh! Ah! I'm doing something!
Guys, who wants my
new invention I made? It's called the Leaper. It's called the Leaper.
Honestly, the only one who cares is someone who's dead.
Like your mom.
Bro, did you just say my mom's dead? My grandma's dead, but not my. Thank you. Thank you for the first person not to clap me whenever I die. Ah, I got so close.
Hey, Blue!
What?
You want to see my invention? Look
No, thank you.
behind there.
I want to see if I'm gonna.